Roger on Header Meet Command 5. The National Marine Fisheries Service announces a recreational fishery closure in federal waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The recreational closure includes silk snapper, queen snapper, blackfin snapper, and winchman. This recreational closure begins on Saturday, September 18th and continues through the rest of 2021. Starting on September 18th, the recreational bank and possession limits are 0 for silk snapper, queen snapper, blackfin snapper, and winchman. For more information, call the National Marine Fisheries Service at 727-824-5305. The Laredo